Yo, what's up, Pyros? Another stash update right now. Had to go to one of my Pyro buddies, man. I had to get one of these. Seen that video and I like that. He gave me one of those. Check it out. I'm gonna do a video on that. Heard this was a banger too, if anybody's seen that. And in the comments, you guys told me to get the missile defense, you know. Have to go ahead and grab them and these radioactive rockets. Just like I said in the other video, man, get one of each of these rockets, man. We're gonna go out there and do a video. Stay tuned. More goodies coming to you soon.